This one is the Daikin VRV3 inverter. Here one complaint. Here one complaint. Error code E5. E5 means inverter, compressor, and an inverter PCB board problem. After that, we check the PCB board, main PCB board, the H2P and H3P, the indication light and another number 2 light still have, so we confirm this one error code have. So this one is error code is E5. So I tell you how to reset this. Okay, now I take out the cover. These two light have, but here cannot see it. So okay, this one is main PCB board. Inside one is inverter PCB board. Normally the error code is what problem? My E5. The inverter compressor and the inverter PCB board is problem. So we now cannot we cannot unplug the unit. Inverter compressor cannot on, because I tried to on ready, because again the same problem coming E5. So another one choice is have. Here one the compressor have is standard compressor. This one is the standard compressor. This one is inverter compressor. Inside one is standard compressor. So we try to unplug the emergency mode for standard compressor. For main PCB board, we just give some setting for the emergency mode. So we press the BS1 is for few seconds. The light number this number light are off. After this first light must on. After this BS2 we press for 42 times. After we BS3 press for 1 times. After we BS2 press for 1 time. After we BS3 press for 2 time. After again BS1 for 1 time. After that we wait for few seconds or few minutes, and then we the standard compressor after that can run. So we just try to press the now just we off the isolator. After we unplug the isolator, wait for few minutes. This one the number 3 light, number 2 light automatic off, number 3 light have. So after we just press the emergency mode. After we show you how to this one do. Yeah, now see, now 1 light only on. So we try to do the emergency mode. So I press here for the BS1. I press for few seconds. Okay, light change ready. Now by BS2 I press for 42 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press the BS3 1 times. Now we press the BS2 1 times. After we press the BS3 2 times. After we press the BS1 1 time. So wait for. After we put back the emergency mode, we just reset the isolator. Here is the isolator. I already off and on back. Here is the isolator off and on back. After then we just wait for the few minutes waiting. We just connect back the pressure gauge to the suction pipe, and then this one is the standard compressor contactor. If the standard compressor contactor running, this one automatic pickup the go inside. So wait for this. Haven't running the fan. Wait for a few minutes. This one is the standard compressor. After you set the light, one light only have indication light. Now the condenser unit fan also running, and then wait for the standard compressor running for emergency mode. See, now the standard compressor running. This one go inside the conductor pickup. Now this compressor running, standard compressor. Now okay. After we just put the emergency mode, we must off the isolator and then we unback the isolator one time. See, now compressor running. See, now pressure also going drop 150 before 200, now 150. See, now everything okay. For this setting, for we replace the inverter compressor and inverter board until the standard compressor can running. After that we change over to normal emergency mode. See, now the system is running because the center compressor is running at IM.